A new trend in Indian matrimony, the growing demand for value based and spiritually rooted families. My name is Ashish Narang, founder of Mate Forever. I have been working in the matrimonial industry for the past 23 years, interacting with thousands of families and closely observing the changing trends in Indian society and marriage preferences. Over these 2 decades, I have witnessed remarkable social changes. Today, the questions and expectations coming from families searching for suitable matches for their sons and daughters are very different from what they were years ago. Many of these changes were unimaginable in the past. One of the most noticeable trends is that many families, especially within the Sanatan Hindu community, are now actively seeking brides and grooms with strong religious and cultural values. Increasingly, parents request profiles of individuals who are spiritually inclined, believe in traditional values, and follow a disciplined Sattvic lifestyle. These families often describe themselves as religious and value oriented. They prefer children who are free from bad habits such as smoking, drinking, or substance abuse. They seek partners who are vegetarian or follow a Sattvic diet, respect their faith, participate in religious practices, and honor their family traditions, spiritual teachers, and chosen deities. Interestingly, this trend is not limited to any particular economic class. Whether middle class, upper middle class, or affluent business families, the preference for value based and spiritually grounded life partners is growing rapidly. Another significant change is that the demand for simple, homely, and family oriented girls has increased. Earlier, this preference was mainly seen in business families. Today, even highly educated professionals earning annual packages of 10 rupees, 20 lakhs, or more are looking for partners who can help build a peaceful, stable, and value driven family life. Many young people now believe that true happiness comes not only from financial success, but also from shared values, mutual respect, simplicity, and a healthy family environment. In many ways, society appears to be reconnecting with its cultural roots and traditional family values. This shift reminds us of the lifestyle followed by previous generations, where family life was centered around responsibility, stability, and nurturing relationships. While modern education, careers, and gender roles have evolved significantly, there is a growing desire among many families to preserve timeless values of respect, harmony, and cultural identity within marriage. I would love to know your thoughts on this emerging trend. Have you also observed this growing demand for spiritually rooted, value based families, especially in TIR 1 cities and metropolitan areas?